Number 1, track your expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure. Tracking your expenses is the foundation of every strong financial plan. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness. When you know exactly where your money goes, you start noticing patterns. Maybe too many food deliveries, maybe forgotten subscriptions, or small impulse buys that add up. You'll be surprised how much you can save just by becoming aware. There are amazing tools out there, from budgeting apps to simple Excel sheets. Choose one that fits your style and review it weekly. Remember, even a dollar spent on something small matters, because habits are built one decision at a time. Quick tip: while we focuses on investments, it complements your tracking habits by showing your financial growth. When you see your portfolio rise, you'll be more motivated to cut unnecessary spending and invest more wisely. Number 2, automate your savings. The smartest savers aren't the most disciplined, they're the most automated. Saving money shouldn't rely on willpower. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to a savings or investment account the moment your salary arrives. Think of it as paying your future self first. Automation removes temptation. You'll save without even thinking about it, and that's how real consistency is built. Whether it's 5%, 10%, or 20% of your income, start with what's manageable and let it grow over time. Quick tip: you can automate your investment deposits directly. Each time your paycheck comes in, your money moves automatically into a global portfolio, helping your savings work for you 24/7. Step 3, build an emergency fund. If 2020 taught us anything, it's that life can change overnight. That's why you need an emergency fund, your financial safety net. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It might sound huge, but the secret is start small and stay consistent. An emergency fund prevents you from using credit cards or loans when unexpected bills hit, whether it's a car repair or a health emergency or a job loss. Keep it separate from your main bank account, ideally in a high yield or low risk investment account that's easy to access. Quick tip: rise low risk. Dollar-based investments can help protect your emergency fund from currency depreciation, ensuring your money keeps its value even if inflation rises. Step 4, pay off high interest debt. Debt can be one of your biggest financial obstacles, especially when interest rates pile up faster than your income grows. Start with high interest debts like credit cards or payday loans. Every dollar you pay off saves you from paying even more in interest later. You can use the debt avalanche method, paying off the highest interest first, or the snowball method, which starts with the smallest debts to build momentum. The key is to stick with your strategy and avoid taking on new debt while paying off old ones. When you're final debt-free, redirect that money into savings or investments. That's when your money starts working for you instead of against you. Quick tip: once you clear your high-interest debt, the funds you free out can be invested, helping you shift from paying interest to earning returns. Step 5, set clear financial goals. Without direction, money disappears. Setting clear financial goals gives your money a purpose. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Maybe it's saving $1,500 for an emergency fund, investing for retirement, or buying property in 5 years. Write your goals down, break them into smaller monthly targets, celebrate small wins along the way. The clearer your goals, the easier it becomes to make smart financial decisions, because you know exactly why you're saving or investing. Step 6, review your financial plan. Your financial plan isn't permanent. It should grow and evolve with you. Maybe your income increased, maybe your goal changed, or maybe a life event shifted your priorities. Review your finances every quarter or at least once a year. Adjust your budget, insurance, and investments accordingly. This small habit ensures you stay on track and adapt before problems grow. Step 7. Invest regularly. Saving is important, but investing is what truly builds wealth. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best strategy? Consistency. Through dollar cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount every month regardless of market highs or lows. Over time, this smooths out volatility and builds steady growth. Start small. Even $10 a week compounds into something substantial over years. And remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about staying invested long enough to let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Step 8. Keep learning about personal finance. The more you learn, the more you earn, literally. Financial literacy is the real superpower in 2026. Read books, take online courses, watch credible finance creators, and listen to podcasts. The world of money is always changing. From crypto to AI, investing to new digital banks. Learning keeps you confident, proactive, and prepared. Step 9. Protect your assets with insurance. Even the best financial plan can collapse without protection. Insurance isn't just an expense, it's protection for everything you've built. Health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance keep your family safe and your finances stable during life's unexpected turns. Review your coverage yearly to ensure it still fits your needs and goals. And number 10, build wealth with compound interest. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's when your interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth growth. Start early, stay consistent, and the sooner you invest, the more time your money has to multiply. Even the modest investments compounded monthly can grow into something life-changing over a decade. Building financial freedom isn't about perfection, it's about progress. These 10 habits, from tracking expenses to automating savings, paying off debts, investing regularly, and protecting your assets, form the foundation of a secure, abundant future. Start today, stay consistent, and let every smart choice you make in 2026 bring you closer to the financial life you deserve. Thanks for watching.